Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your GIS News for Tuesday, October 15. The government has welcomed a decision by the World Anti-Doping Agency WADA to assess activities carried out by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO. This follows an invitation from Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller to the IAAF and WADA requesting that the anti-doping agency assess JADCO's processes. A release from the Office of the Prime Minister points out that the invitation was by way of a letter dated August 5, 2013, after which WADA offered to send a delegation to Jamaica to hold meetings and discussions. The Prime Minister has welcomed the visit, saying Jamaica is committed to maintaining its integrity in sport. Mrs. Simpson-Miller adds that Jamaica is happy for the technical support provided by the IAAF and WADA so that the country's systems will become first-rate. Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Minister Philip Polwell says government's resolve is undaunted as it relates to the preservation of competition in the telecommunications market. He was responding to the results of the 700 megahertz auction, which ended with no bids submitted, despite a robust showing of interest from a number of entities, including 24 persons from 10 countries. Minister Polwell says the result is a minor setback, but will not derail efforts to position the country to leverage the benefits of telecommunications and ICT. Going forward, he says the administration will undertake a review to allocate additional spectrum to facilitate the development of broadband networks. Roughly 200,000 persons in and around the parish of St. Mary are again able to access the services of the Onoto Bay Hospital after a $90 million rehabilitation. The hospital was reopened on October 11 following the completion of repairs to infrastructural damage sustained during Hurricane Sandy in October 2012.
A year ago, and even before when I visited, I saw the conditions. And out of crisis, today we see opportunity.
The project was spearheaded by the Ministry of Health and included renovations to the female medical, pediatric and maternity wards. Repairs were also done on the accident and emergency unit, doctors and nurses' quarters, porter's lodge, kitchen, laundry room and the roadway. Funding was provided by a wide cross-section of public and private sector stakeholders, among them the National Health Fund, Chase Fund, Japanese Embassy in Jamaica and the RJR Communications Group. Cabinet has approved the award of a contract of just under $690,000 to Illuminate Jamaica for the supply of 180 interactive whiteboards for schools. The 6-month contract involves the installation of the boards as well as the training of teachers in the use and care of the electronic whiteboard system.
The interactive whiteboards technology is used to enhance classroom lesson presentation by making them more engaging.
It forms part of government's efforts to promote the use of ICT-based education through the e-learning project. The project is funded through the Universal Service Fund and provides electronic applications and processes to improve secondary students' performance in external examinations. In the meantime, the Norman Manley International Airport is to receive rescue and firefighting equipment.
Cabinet has approved a contract to Oshkosh Corporation of the United States in the sum of $1,454,000 for the manufacture and delivery of one aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicle and associated equipment, rescue equipment.
The acquisition is being made in compliance with the rules of the International Civil Aviation Organization. It's being financed from the 2013-2014 budgetary allocation for the airport. And finally, the Heart Trust NTA is urging employers to use its services to improve productivity and competitiveness. The call came from the agency's Executive Director, Dr. Wayne Wesley, during a recent productivity conference. Armed with a recent report from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica stating that about 68% of the Jamaican labor force was untrained, Dr. Wesley encouraged employers to partner with the agency.
We can tailor programs to your specification and have those programs certified. So your labor force can no longer be the factor within the total factor productivity that is preventing you from achieving the levels of efficiency and effectiveness that you need.
The executive director also revealed that the training agency had revitalized its apprenticeship program and appealed to employers to take on heart trainees. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.